The following segment is sponsored by the Salt Lake Fall Home Show. Get ready for home design and renovation like you have never seen before. The Salt Lake Fall Home Show is back, and Ian is here with a sneak peek of all the fun. Welcome back, Ian.
Thanks for having me again.
Great to see you. Okay, the home show is back. What can we expect to see this year? This is some of my favorite shows.
It's a great time of year. We're going to have over 300 contractors for everything that you might need, from if you need a new roof going into the winter. Holiday lighting is always really popular. They can still get you in before the holidays. And then this is a big time for kitchens and remodeling for anything for the holidays. I know it feels like summer outside, but holidays are right around the corner. It's coming up fast.
It's going to be here. Okay, and everyone's always wanting to know, who is the big celebrity guest this year?
Yeah, so we're going to have Bowe from Magnolia Network.
Oh, yeah.
He'll be on site Friday and Saturday.
Okay, very cool. What will he be demonstrating?
He's just going to go over some of his tips. I mean, he's kind of known for that rustic look, and giving some tips about that rustic look and remodeling, and you're getting that aesthetic for your home.
Sure. Okay, super popular. Okay, tell us about the on-site pumpkin patch. This is fun.
Yeah, we're really excited to have Schmidt's Farms out at the show, and they're going to be selling pumpkins. And if you want to purchase a pumpkin, bring the kids in. They got beautiful pumpkins. You're always looking for that perfect pumpkin. They seem to have a lot of them last year, so it'll be a good fun for the kids.
Good selection. You can find it at the home show. Okay, pet adoptions will also be available. This is so cute. Tell us about that.
Yeah, so we're going to have some pets for adoption, as well as some seminars for just tips for your home for your pets.
Okay, good to know. Oh my gosh, pick out your pumpkins, adopt a pet. This is so good. Okay, what if we're looking for design inspiration? What is there to help us?
So we have, like I said, over 300 exhibitors that are going to be sharing the latest trends, and we also have our design room. It's going to be really cool. We have more of a rustic and modern look with those as well. It's kind of a little bit more wood and steel, I should say.
Yeah, you're seeing those combos a lot.
Yeah.
It's very cool. It's like warming up the rooms.
Yeah.
I feel like in kitchens too, you're not seeing necessarily like the gray and the white anymore. It's a lot of like mixed metals and the woods in there. Okay, tell us about the teacher and hero discount. This is special. We
love to celebrate our heroes. So on Friday, if you come in and go to our will call, if you're a teacher, military, police, fireman, share your ID, and we'll give you a free admission ticket.
Okay, so cool. Okay, where can we get tickets?
So you can always go to saltlakefallhomeshow.com, and we also have them on sale at the box office there.
At the box office. Okay, one more thing we want to remind people is about parking. Tell me about that.
Yeah, as we all know, parking's a nightmare there. So we will have a free valet on Friday and Saturday, and then Friday and Saturday as well, we will have a shuttle from the Nice building. If you park across the street, it's called the Nice building. There's over 1,000 extra stalls there that we'll have a free shuttle over.
That's so nice, Ian. Yeah. Free. Okay, I think that makes it so much easier for people to park. What is your favorite part about every show? If someone's been and they're thinking, well, I've been to these, but do I need to come again? What's your opinion?
It's the inspiration. Like every time there's something new and I'm just like, oh, I want that for my house.
Yeah.
I want to update. It gives you that inspiration of what you want to do. And it's great to, we're in a different economy than we were 10 years ago, and so a lot more planning. And so it's good to talk to those people so you know what to plan for.
Yeah, that's very true, because it's always changing.
Yep.
Okay, Ian, thank you so much. And also you can enter to win tickets by going to KUTV.com/contest. The show is this weekend. Ian, thank you so much. Great to see you.
Thanks for having me again.